Well, I just didn't wait for completing the timing. There's the risk disclaimer. You can take a screenshot and it's your responsibility. Okay, I would love to stay here in my chart near about 4 4 a.m. I mean for the London session. When I mean London Silver Bullet actually. I was outside. I just come back and don't have any time to wait. So this is the what do I see from here? What do I see from here? Market came here, reversing. Cool. What's wrong with that? Has taken that relatively equal highs, but at the same time, what it has done something good for me. I have this relatively equal highs, the obvious liquidity over here, the random reversal. That means market has to reach over here to that area, to that last parameter. If it wants to go over there, first it has to reach here to trade that parameter. So I'm gonna mark this as my sell liquidity. Today is Tuesday. Remember the manipulation day. At this, so market should break this parameter. Am I looking for buy? No. Am I looking for sell? No. No buy, no sell, nothing. I have this buy sell liquidity, I have this sell liquidity manipulation there. What is my exact expectation? My expectation is market will come here, then it will do this type of thing. That's my expectation. Okay. I have to go on mid chart. Okay, at the beginning of today we a very nice run. Okay. All I need to do is I have to wait if it can break this parallel gap. We are at the entry parallel gap right now. Don't forget that, okay? We're at the entry parallel gap over here from mid chart. If market would love to go higher, nothing wrong with that. But as my weekly bias is bullish, I want the bearish manipulation. I want that should go lower. The manipulation should have happened here. Now, below this low, this is the Monday low. I don't want to see that. Market will go below that low. No, I don't want to see that. Why? Because Monday low has taken the Friday low. Okay, that means where was the Friday low? I think Friday low is here. Okay, I don't remember, but maybe this one is the Friday low. It 8:30. Yeah, Friday 8:30. So this is the lowest low from Friday, which has been taken by Monday low. When market has taken the Friday low, Tuesday manipulation doesn't need to take the Monday low. If it takes the Monday low, that's cool. It doesn't need to do that. All it has to do is it has to go to the last favorable gap or the lowest favorable gap from Monday. That's all it has to do. If it can reach here, I will say manipulation has done. Lower manipulation has done, then it should go toward the obvious liquidity. This is the obvious liquidity. If market go right now toward that buy side liquidity, then I will expect market will trade that last favorable gap, then maybe it will go toward that sell side liquidity. But I really don't want to see that. I don't want to see that market will go toward that buy side liquidity right now. All I want to see, market will fall. That's all. Okay, done. Good morning. Hey, Sebastian. Can you hear me, guys? I mean, I was just talking, but did you hear me? Hey, Pandey, how are you? Good morning, brother. Good morning. Kun Good morning, Kun. Yut Kun. Nice name. Yut Kun. Good morning, brother. Martin, good morning, brother. Mark Hanson, good morning, brother. Good morning, Stoic. Exactly. Okay. Sundrik, brother Titu. Yeah. How are you, Sundrik? Get freedom. What if that last travel gap supported price to go to buy liquidity? It can happen. It doesn't need to reach over here. It can go for that buy sell liquidity from here because this is the entry travel gap from 15 minutes. So it can do that as well. But I want to see market will break that last travel gap and it will go toward that sell side liquidity. The reason is narrative. I'm just thinking about narrative. First, I came here and I look at the liquidity. Where is my liquidity? This is my weekly liquidity. Okay, I'm expecting market is going to take that weekly buy sell liquidity. That's okay. I'm just gonna give you the answer of you, brother. Get freedom. Okay, this is that buy sell liquidity which I am looking for this week. Okay, this week market is going to take that liquidity. Now, Monday was the accumulation day. Market went lower, market went higher. Perfect accumulation. See the high and low. Just it went lower, it went higher. Accumulation. Just this is called accumulation. No, the perfect accumulation, but yeah, still this accumulation because it was not expansion. If it was expansion, then it will retrace here, then it will keep falling. That would be the expansion, but it didn't do that. It came here, it came here. Accumulation has done. Now, what is today? Today is Tuesday. The price went higher. Take that liquidity. Remember, there was the liquidity. When it has taken that liquidity, at the same time, what it has done, relatively equal highs has taken by a shallow run. That is called obvious liquidity. So, market has made buy side liquidity obvious liquidity. Where did it reverse? From a random area. Go to your hourly chart. Do you see any fair value gap over here? Nothing. So, this is just a random reversal. Now, random reversal doesn't have the power to go below that low. It doesn't have that much power. What it can do, it can come here. Reaction can come here and to that fair value gap. It can come here, then it can go toward that buy side liquidity. At the same time, I saw this relatively equal lows, not perfect, but yeah, I just force market to make it a relatively equal lows. Nothing else. What is today? Today is Tuesday. Now, if your weekly bias is bullish, if market left that buy sell liquidity in the mean in the middle of your run, so I'm talking about this run from here to here. See, it is at the middle. If it left that buy sell liquidity at the middle, you will be more confident, more comfortable that okay, you are right. Market is your weekly analysis is actually correct. Market is going toward that buy sell liquidity. It is going to take that buy sell liquidity. Now, what do you need? You just need a manipulation toward downside because your bias is bullish. What is manipulation? This was Monday, right? That was Monday. Manipulation should go, it should go below. Then expansion, continuation of the expansion, Friday reversal. Now, I guess Friday is closed today. This week Friday will be holiday. So far I know. Okay, I'm not sure, but you can do the research. I guess Friday is closed. Market is closed in Friday. So yeah, I don't know about this thing, but until this leg, Thursday leg, market should take that buy sell liquidity. So this is called narrative. In my narrative, I am expecting lower run. Depending on that narrative, depending on that story, I told you to read the story. Don't just look at the buy sell liquidity and sell side liquidity. Just read the story. For reading a story, you have narrative, you have fair value gap, you have last fair value gap, you have random reversal, you have liquidity, you have entry fair value gap, you have session, you have a lot of things to read the story. So by using all of these things, read the story. Okay, so yeah, that's my thinking right now. If market go higher and take that buy sell liquidity, what do you think? Yeah, obviously it can do that. It can take that liquidity, it can tap to the last fair value gap, then I will look for sell. I all I want to look is this this fair value gap. Market should come here because today's manipulation. I want to stay with my weekly bias. I want to think that My weekly bias is right. That means market is going to take that buy side liquidity. For that, I just need a lower run. Why not Monday low? Because the weekly PO3. This is the Monday. Manipulation should go here, right? That means Monday low is going to take in. Then expansion, continuation of expansion, reset. Now, why I'm not looking Tuesday to take Monday low? The reason is Monday low has taken Friday low. Go to your daily chart, brother. But you don't look for the session. I mean, days liquidity. No, it's not day liquidity. It's all about the thinking. This candle has taken this low. All of this low has been taken already. So if you think about narrative, when it has taken the liquidity from Friday, there is low probability to go back again below that low for manipulation. Manipulation has done in Monday already. In Monday, I got the manipulation already. This is that manipulative candle. Yeah. If I saw when Monday low has taken the Friday low, but at the same time, it has made relatively equal lows, perfectly relatively equal lows, with maybe some other kind of uh, other days low, maybe Tuesday low and Monday low has made relatively equal lows. In that type of situation, I would say no, manipulation didn't happen. Though it has taken Friday low, it didn't happen yet. So Tuesday should go and take that relatively equal lows. But look over here, when it went lower, is there any relatively equal lows? Nothing. That means this is that manipulation which has happened over here already. All I need just the confirmation from Tuesday. I just need the confirmation that that was the manipulation. That confirmation will tell me if market can reach to the lowest fair gap from 15-minute chart. Simple thing, okay? Is there any kind of confusion about that? If you have the confusion, let me know that. What am I looking for? Sell. Are you going to take sell from here? No. I will wait until this is broken. If market can break this last fair gap, then I will look for sell, and my range will be from here to here. This 38 handle will be my range. Maybe I will be able to catch 5 handle, maybe 10 handle. I'm happy with that. So please guys let me know if you have any confusion about this. I read the price like that way, and yeah, so this is the way I read the price. It's your job to read the price by yourself, okay? Okay, I gave you the answer. I believe get freedom for all. Please let me know if you have any confusion. I took a short and it hit my target profit. I am done for the day. Only tip reading. Perfect, brother. That's called the strongest psychology. Okay, like this type of obvious liquidity, you have the obvious psychology, man. I love that. I respect you, man. Inna, good morning. Good morning, Inna. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. See, guys told yes. Uh, Journey, Salune, and Inna. You told yes. I guess you told that you can hear me. Okay, I guess. Michael, morning, bro. Michael, good morning, brother. Master X. Hey, how are you, Master X? Ryan, good morning, brother. Hello to all folks here. Yeah, good morning to all. He didn't tell me anything, Ryan, please. Okay, he didn't tell me anything. Hey, good morning, brother. To all folks, please consider subscriber. Yeah, please consider subscriber and like button and share whatever you want. Just blow this account, okay? Good, good, brother. Hope you good too. I'm fine, man. I'm fine. Thanks, man. Sunri. I never understood last five. Look up. You said you teach during live sessions. I probably missed it though. I always try to attend your class. Can you explain lust and entry fabulous, please? Yeah, I can do that. I'm going to explain that from 15-minute chat. It will be easier for me. Now, I'm just gonna show you the last fabulous here first. See, this is a leg until here. This is a leg. In that leg, this is the first fabulous, right? Is there any fabulous below that fabulous? No, there is no fabulous. When price stopped here, now it is coming back, right? When it is coming back, the first fair value gap will turn into the last fair value gap. So this is my last fair value gap. Price come lower, it went higher. Another price leg. See, another price leg. To that price leg, you have to look for the first fair value gap. Where is your first fair value gap? This is your first fair value gap. Okay, here. When price come here, now it is coming back. When it is coming back, the first fair value gap is going to turn into your last fair value gap. Now there is no entry fair value gap, so I will give you the example when I will say entry fair value gap. So market went lower, make another leg, first fair value gap. You will look for the first fair value gap, that will be your last fair value gap. Went lower, another leg, look over here. Just a leg, okay? Just a leg. In that leg, this is your first fair value gap. This is going to be your last fair value gap. Price retrace, another leg. First fair value gap is going to turn into last fair value gap when market is reverse. Went lower, went higher, last fair value gap, last fair value gap. Another leg, right? This is another leg, another leg, another leg. Every single leg, the first fair value gap is going to turn into last fair value gap. Slowly in time, you will learn how to use the exact last fair value gap. It will take little time, okay, brother? Now, if you look for this here, market is falling, right? It is falling, falling, falling until here. This is a leg. Now here is two leg. One leg is here, retrace another leg. But to that leg, there, this is your last fair value gap here. When market fall, last fair value gap. The first fair value gap turns into last fair value gap because market is now reversing. Now reversing, right? The first fair value gap is your last fair value gap. The second fair value gap is your entry fair value gap. After the first fair value gap, the second fair value gap is going to be your entry fair value gap. For example, market went higher. This is your last fair value gap. The first fair value gap is your last fair value gap. This is your entry fair value gap over here. Entry fair value gap. If you are looking for buy, when market will be here in that entry fair value gap, you will start to look for buy setup. You have to start to look for buy setup from that entry fair value gap. If you don't get from 1 minute chart, okay? If you don't get that, for example, over here, market came here. I am now looking for buy setup. What is buy setup? Market has to shift toward that buy side liquidity. So market went higher, it went little lower, it went higher. Now you can say this is your market structure sheet. Okay, here this is your market structure sheet. Now basically it's a perfect swing, a perfect swing high, perfect swing high for shifting market structure. Why? This swing high has a swing high on its right, on its left, both of them lower than that swing high. There is a fair value gap. Perfect market structure shift. Immediate perfect market structure shift. Immediate reaction. See over here. This is immediate reaction. Kind of here. Market has taken the liquidity. Look over here. The liquidity has taken. Boom. 1, 2. Within 2 candle, it has traded that fair value gap. Where is your target? Here. Now you don't look for the last, extreme liquidity. You should not go for that. Instead of that, maybe you will go for 1 minute. You can until here. For example, if you take this entry, your stop loss will be here, your target profit will be here. This can be your target. Now if you ask me, is that a plus plus setup? That is the a plus plus setup. Why I'm not interested to take that buy? Because I'm interested to take sell. My bias is bearish. Every kind of buy setup I'm gonna sacrifice. I'm not interested to take them. But brother, if it doesn't go lower, instead of that it went higher, take that buy sell liquidity, then what will you do? I'll miss the session. Simple. I'll just miss the session. That's all. So the brother who asked me about the entry fair value gap, here, this is that entry fair value gap, this is that last fair value gap. If you don't get that setup from entry fair value gap, and if you see market went lower, came to that last fair value gap, you will look for this thing again. Again, this thing you will expect from here. If your bias is bullish, you will look for this and you will take that buy or whatever. You will go for that. Why I'm not interested? I'm bearish, that's why. If I'm wrong and market take that buy sell liquidity, I don't care. That means I'm just gonna miss this session. That's all. Is this A plus setup? Looking around the price action, the perfect setup so far. Market went lower, take the liquidity. All of this liquidity has been taken. Market went lower after before the reversal. Market has cleared all of this consolidation. All of this consolidation has been taken before this reversal. Market went higher, one candle, the very next candle shifted the market. Is this swing high? Obviously, this is a swing high. Just look the market, a swing. See the curve over here. But brother, this is sideways. Just one and two candle, just two candles. Still, I have the extreme high, perfect swing high. It didn't trade the fair value gap. I don't need it. Why? I have a swing high on my left. See this swing high, that swing high, any of them. I have a swing high on my right. See this swing high or that swing high on my right. Both of them are lower than that swing high. Do I get a fair value gap? I get a fair value gap. Is that an immediate reaction? Absolutely immediate reaction. Can I go for that? If your bias is very bullish, if you are looking for that buy sell liquidity, go for that trade. I'm not interested. Am I going to hold my trade until here? If you have two contracts, then you have to take a partial here to that last fair value gap. Then best is to close your trade over here, relatively equal highs. That's the best option. If you want to hold it until here, it's up to you. How do you want to mm, manage your trade? It's your job. I'm not interested at all about that bull run. Even if it happens and market went higher, take that buy sell liquidity, I'm gonna miss it. That's all, brother. Am I clear to you guys? This is the trading you have to do. For example, I was bullish. For example, I was bullish. I would take that entry. But brother, after you taking the entry over here, you take the entry, maybe you put the stop loss over here, and what price is done? Price just went lower, stopped you out. That means a perfect setup didn't work. You just take a loss. That doesn't mean this doesn't work. This still I will look for buy again. Again, I will look for setup. I got stopped out. That doesn't mean it's not working. That means in that time I was little early on the market. So yeah, I will look for another buy if I was bullish. Now I was bearish. Maybe I'm wrong. London session is liquidity making session and liquidity taking session, both of them. Okay. So yeah, as I am bearish, I will look for sell from this parabolic gap. See this parabolic gap over here from 15-minute chart, either from this parabolic gap or from that parabolic gap. I will look for the same setup you saw here. I will look for the same setup toward that sell side liquidity. If I get the sell setup, I will go for that. If I get stopped out, I'll be happy. But as I'm bearish, I will look for that. Is that clear, guys? This is how you should trade. This is how, okay? Now, it depends how you are looking for your liquidity. Maybe I'm right. For example, maybe I'm right. Market is actually going lower. Maybe, okay? I'm not telling that I'm right. Market is going to fall. I'm not telling that. I'm just telling maybe I'm right. If I'm right and you are wrong, maybe you are thinking market is going to take that by sell liquidity, so you took that entry. Now I got a setup to take sell. I took that sell. You got a setup to take buy. You took buy. You are wrong. I'm right. Don't think you are wrong. You are not wrong. You worked perfectly. You wait for the setup perfectly. Trust me. If market would love to go lower, it will very rarely it will give you the perfect setup from the entry fair value gap or the last fair value gap. If market would love to go lower, either you won't get the immediate reaction or there will be so much consolidation, then no immediate market structure shift. Anything will be suspicious. If market really would love to go lower before taking some kind of liquidity or last fair value gap or something like that, it will rarely give you the setup. Very rarely. But still, I'm looking for sell. So yeah, that's all. Okay. I know I don't want to make you confused, but to be honest, this is how you should trade. Okay. Monday high is already taken. It doesn't matter as my bias is bullish. So Monday high, every single high is going to be taken until the all-time high. Everything is going to be taken. Every single thing. Is that clear, guys? I guess so. Asmat Ali, shallow run. Absolutely, bro. That the bro. I am new subscriber, but I'm confused in your chart and Nasdaq 100 charts, both high, different prices. The thing is, Asmat, I'm using NQM2024 and you are using US 100, I guess, NAS 100 or US 100. There is something differences between future market and indices market, kind of differences. Okay, I don't know exactly what is that, but this is the chart where you will find it NQM2024. You have to pay for that, for the data, and you will get the perfect price action from here only. Okay, every other chart the price action is not accurate, everyone is false, only this chart is accurate price. Okay, good morning Thaps. Munga Steve, hi Tito, we kill it today. Let's see, brother. How how's your end the weather today? Today is very sunny weather, little windy but it's sunny. Leah FF trade, so you delete something, Leah. Sorry sister, I was unable to read your comment. If you can ask the question again, I will be happy to answer you. 75 watching, we need 75 thumbs up please. Okay Journey, thanks for that. Yeah, I got 37 likes. The people from here, they're very miser, they don't want to give me the likes, but it's okay. I'm fed up to ask for the like. Gold trade taken 2, just now it hit target profit. Congratulations Rivan, thank you man. It hit your target profit. Took 77 handles from Asia session, profit target hit. Previous day highs, just here to learn now. No more button pressing, pushing. Congratulations, Shahid, because you are already profitable. Oh man, you should give me a message, secret message. I would have taken that onto my small account. In my 50K account, I am struggling. Okay, if I could take that 77 handle, man, it would be like huge. You should have give me a secret message, PM, right? Gold trade taken two. Okay. Can you see short setup here? I'm looking for short setup. I didn't see any short setup, so I'm not. How can I show you if I don't see the short setup? But yeah, I'm looking for a short setup. But again, guys, I'm looking for short. Doesn't mean I'm gonna get it and it is going to work. Okay, that doesn't mean that. So if anyone wants to copy my trade, it will be your responsibility. Okay, please don't copy my trade. It's a very nice buy setup. But yeah, still it is what it is. Thank you so much. You are an excellent teacher. Okay, Vishal. I really? I didn't know that. KCJF. So you got the point. Thank you, KCJF. The obvious liquidity. Yeah, that is the obvious liquidity. Can go toward that buy side liquidity. I don't want to see that. I want to see market will go lower and it will come here. That's my expectation until New York morning session. Then at New York PM session, market will go toward that buy side liquidity. That's my expectation. Okay. So yeah, I will look for sell setup instead of buy setup. If market take that on, nothing wrong because that is obvious liquidity where market reverse from the entry fair value gap. All I missed is just my direction. So I just missed my direction. Everything else was perfect. Everything else was perfect. Remember, first priority is your direction. If you are bullish, you will look for buy. If you are bearish, you will look for sell. Simple thing. First priority is your direction because this setup is going to happen every time. It's going to give you the buy setup, it's going to give you the sell setup. All you need to do is you have to pick the liquidity or the direction. How will you establish your direction? By reading the price action. What is the reading price action or what is the reading story? This is the whole story. I read from the beginning. If you missed it, please watch the first part. I read the whole story for you guys. This is how you should read the story. I did it at the beginning. So yeah, right now price is trading that entry fair value gap from 15-minute chart or the, I mean, what to say? I mean, yeah, the entry fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Let's see if we can get any kind of sell setup. If I get a sell setup, I'll go for that. Is there any swing high which is valid for shifting market structure? Until now, I don't see any swing low, which is valid for shifting market structure. So yeah, I have no way to take entry until now. I will wait for a swing low which will be valid for shifting market structure first. Until now, there is no swing low which is valid for shifting market structure. Thank you for understanding. That means no internet loss. I guess so. Aditya, I'm in short. What do you think? If you are short, then I'll pray for you. I'll pray for you. Let's see if it works or not. Joao, long from 1 hour plus order block. Go for that, man. Leah, you expect sell from entry fair value gap, as I understand that starts from absolutely. I am expecting short from this entry fair value gap, or market is overzealous, then it can reach to the last fair value gap from 15 minutes chart. You know there is a last fair value gap. So I will keep looking for sell, not buy. If I was looking for buy, then when price came here to that first, I mean entry fair value gap over here, there was the entry fair value gap from 15 minutes chart. Go to your 15-minute chart and look at this entry fair value gap. The prices at the entry fair value gap, it went higher. There was a very nice setup here actually. So I would take that buy. As I'm looking for sell, I'm just ignoring this buy setup. Okay, in my direction, I will look for sell. If I get a setup here and take the sell, got a stopped out, I won't be upset because I get a stopped out. No, because I waited for the setup, I leave my direction, and I get a stopped out. So I won't be I mean upset for that. This is the part of this game, taking loss. That is the part of this game. So yeah, in short, that's all. Sorry, brother. I took it at 11:50 p.m. EST last night using your midnight open strategy. So Shahid, whatever, brother, you have to tell me that secretly, okay? Nobody should not know about that, and I would take that entry. I'm just kidding, Shahid. Hey, Peter, what are you doing here? You should have been in inside the plane, man. What are you doing here, man? By the way, good morning. How are you? How was your journey, brother? Asmat Ali, bro, if I want to learn your ICT concept in your channel, which video is best for it? Okay, Asmat Ali, the first thing is this is not my concept. Okay, so this is not my concept. Yeah, it's different like others, but not my concept. This is ICT's concept. You can learn it from my channel. If you want to learn anything, you can go to my study section. From the study section, you will go to narrative section. After narrative section, then there is other section. First finish these two. First study folder, then narrative folder. So am I getting upset because I didn't take that buy setup? No, I'm not upset. I'm just watching the price. I will see how beautifully it will take that buy sell. I'll just sacrifice this trade. You have to make your mentality like that way. If you miss a trade, don't be so afraid. Oh, I missed everything. No, if you think like that way, you are not ready to trade yet. I missed the buy opportunity. It's going to take that buy sell. Let's find out another setup here. Here. I have to take the entry because it's going to take that obvious liquidity. Brother told that this is obvious liquidity is going to be taken. I have to look for another setup over here. Let's take the setup. If you do that, if you think like that way, you are not ready yet for trading. Your psychology is kind of very weak, and you will never be profitable trader by that type of psychology. When I'm looking for sell, even if I miss 1,000 entry opportunity to the buy side liquidity, obvious buy side liquidity, market never go for the sell side liquidity. I don't care. I will let every setup go. Every single setup I will let it go. And I'll be happy to see that okay, at least it hit my area where I wanted to hit. So my direction of sell, first I wanted to go for the sell, it went for the buy, but it hit my target. I'll be very happy for that. But I'm not getting upset because I believe that I have a very strong psychology. I'm not gonna chase the price. I'm not gonna get very upset because I missed the entry. I'm not doing anything. Now here, is this swing low is valid for shifting market structure? I think there is kind of swing low. Is that valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely not. Why? This is just sideways candle. Look at these candles. This is sideways candles. I'm not interested to mark this as my market structure shift. I don't want to force the market to give me the setup. Maybe there will be a fair value gap. Price will trade to that fair value gap, then it will fall. I'm gonna miss this. Obviously, I'm gonna miss this. Why? No perfect on here. I am here to show you the perfect on only. Okay. Now, if I take an entry depending on other things, I will tell you that brother, I saw this first fair value gap, maybe breaker block, maybe that, maybe those. So I'm gonna take that entry depending on that. But that's not the perfect one. You should not do that. You should wait for the perfect setup. If I do that, I will tell you beforehand. Okay. If I see something else, can I join to this trade now to that buy side? If I was bullish, I was thinking that no, market is going to take that buy side liquidity first. If I was thinking like that way, yeah, I would frame my trade from this order block. If I missed this fair value gap entry, I would frame my trade from this order block. See this order block? Sometimes you will say I push my button depending on that order block, and I told that I don't want to say market will break the mean threshold of that order block. I would frame my trade from there. This is the order block. If I was bullish, again I'm not bullish, so I'm not interested to take any kind of buy. Even I miss the whole run, I don't care. I will. I'm just waiting for the sell, nothing else. When is the best option to take sell? The best option is when this last fair value gap is broken. If I frame a trade sell setup from here, I have to close the setup or sell when market will be in this last fair value gap. If I get any setup, okay, then I have to close the trade when market will be inside this last fair value gap. This is the bullish last fair value gap. This is the bearish entry fair value gap over here. So yeah. So the first priority is your direction, where market is going. How do you know that? By reading the story. You have to read the story. What is called the reading story? That is called reading price action. Okay, bro. If okay. Just arrived from Bali, now in China. So you are very near to me, Peter. Come Bangladesh, brother. It's a very beautiful country. Trust me, man. You will never regret. Bangladesh is really so beautiful. Come back. Come to here. Okay. I just built my new home. You are invited to my home. Okay. Because you are very near to me, China. So I think 2 to 3 hours difference from China to Bangladesh. I guess so. I am not exactly sure, but that would be the distance. The Indonesia, Bali. Now you are in China. Well, however, that candle at 4:19 a.m. brother is it's not MSS. It traded a fair value gap. 4:19. Why is 4:19? Yeah, I told about that already. This is not a swing low. This is just a low. See these candles, they are sideways. This is just a low, not a swing low. What is swing low? Ah, what is swing low? See, there is a curve here. There is a curve. This is swing low. This is a swing high. No, there is no, I mean, weak, but you will look for this type of curve. That is called swing. This is sideways. See, every bodies are around the same level. This is sideways, not the swing low. Now, if you do this, something like that, you will be able to make a curve here. See, a very small curve, but look at the price, what I have done over here. How many handle do I have here? Here to here, just 8 handle. I have made look like 80 handle. Make your chart like this. This is the perfect chart. Then look for the swing. Can you see this is a swing? I don't see. This is not a swing. This is swing here. No, this is sideways candle. Is that a swing? Sideways candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candle around the same area. Like this way, okay? Yeah. Nice explanation, bro. Thank you, Kirui. So what should recommend for as a beginner? So what should I do to learn this type of knowledge from you, sir? First of all, stop calling me sir. I am not sir. I'm like you. Okay. I'm like just like you. So don't call me sir. You can call me by my name. My name is T2, or you can call me brother, whatever you want. But don't call me sir, boss, something like that. I'm just like you. Okay. The second thing is, do you have any idea about ICT concepts? For example, 22 mentorship, just 22 mentorship. Do you know what is 22 mentorship? ICT is 22 YT model. If you know that 22 model, then go to my channel. From there, go to my study section. Finish that first. Every single video from study section, finish them first. If you don't know what is 22 model, then you have to go ICT himself, his channel. From his channel, you have to study ICT's 22 mentorship. There is 41 video. It will take near about 5 to 6 months to study them. Trust me, you have to put your time over. There is no other way. There is no other way to learn fast, faster way. You will finish them within one month. You will never get anything from there. So yeah, if you don't have any idea about 22 YT model, then you have to start from the ICT channel. There is no other option because I didn't build anything for the very beginner who doesn't have any idea about ICT. So for ICT's knowledge, you have to go to ICT's channel. Then, and if you have the knowledge about that, please go to my channel. From there, go just to the study section. Finish the study section, then narrative. After finishing both of them, come back to me. I will tell you what should you do. But you have to spend some time over there. KTHLICT. Okay, brother. My view is getting its shape. Oh, okay, okay. That's cool, man. Ketan, thank you, man. Visa on arrival. I believe so. You are Australian passport holder. So I guess visa on arrival. I believe so. Hey Jitu, can you explain why sometimes this 1 minute order block fail and price don't respect it, and then after sweeping a low of this 1 minute order block, give move. Same happened yesterday at EM session. Okay, Leah. There is only thing I don't talk about, and that is order block. Okay, just accept order block. I talk about anything. I mean, I have no problem. If I know about that, I will talk about that. But just let it go about the water block because ICT himself talked so many times about that water block. He told that nobody knows about the water block. We are just spreading the misconception. That's why I don't talk about the water block from the very beginning. Who are with me for near about 2 to 3 months, they all know. I don't talk about in detail about the water block. Why I use that water block? I got the precision from the way I use that. That's why I keep using them. But yeah, I don't want to go in deep about the water block. So I hope you will forgive me for that, sister. Vishal, what is sideways candle? Man, this is called sideways candle. I mean, every candle's body at the same level. This is sideways candle. And swing is kind of this. This is called swing. Here, the candle's body open close is different. This is how it has made a swing high. See this one. Here, every candle's body are around the same area. See this area. This is the same area. So this is sideways candle. Here, look at this sideways candle. Not like look like that, right? Here, look like this. Here and here, just look like this, right? Where is swing then? There is no exact. Uh, Look, this is not a perfect example, but still this is a swing. Still this is a swing. See the difference. Look at the difference between these candles and these candles. Look at the difference. You'll understand what I mean by that. So still I'm looking for sell. Okay, I'm not interested to take buy. Let me go to 15-minute chart. I'm gonna remove it from my chart and I'm gonna mark the last five lookup from 15-minute chart. So here is my last five lookup. I will look for the sell still from there. As I told, if anyone was looking for buy, please go for that. Don't just depend on my analysis. You have your own analysis, go for that. Always I learn something new from here. Get freedom. Thank you, man. I'm expecting price to go a bit more up and a consolidation till 8:30 a.m. It can happen. Absolutely, it can happen. There's nothing wrong. All I explain is my expectation. I don't need to participate every price run. I don't need it. I explained the setup over here, the A++ setup. If you are bullish, there was your setup. If as I am bearish, I'm not interested to take that. That's all, brother. Nothing else. Am I wrong? I'm not wrong. I just didn't participate into the market. That's all. I'm not wrong. Did I take any sell? No, because there was no setup. I didn't take any sell. If I get any opportunity to take sell, I will take that. But brother, you told that you will, if you get a market structure shift, you will take that entry. So there was your market structure shift. Was there any market structure shift? No, there was no market structure shift. I didn't take participate in. But brother, we are going to miss the trade. Doesn't matter. You have to miss the trade. If you don't miss the trade, how do you learn this price action? You have to miss the trade, man. Trust me. It's thousand times better to miss thousand entry setup or entry run rather than one losing trade. Thousand times better. In short period of time you will understand that. Now you will think this guy know nothing about the price action. You are absolutely right. I know nothing about the price action. I'm just learning like you guys. Yes, I know 22 YT model. Okay, then please go to my channel and from there go to the study section. If you don't finish the study section over here, trust me, whatever I'm telling you, it will go up your head. Okay, go to your go from the is that go to the playlist. Go to my playlist and sorry, what happened? Everything is cool. Yeah, go to my playlist. From playlist, see this study. It's right written over there. Study. You have to watch the videos from there. Trust me, lot of them are over there. From study section, after completing this, you have to come here. Narrative. This is the second most priority. Narrative. First finish this two, then I will tell you what should you do. First finish that too. So where is price exactly right now? It is inside the last fair lookup from 15-minute chart. What I am looking for, just a market structure shift. Why? Because I am believing that market is falling toward that sell side liquidity. Is there any swing low which is valid for shifting market structure? Till now, I don't see. Is that swing low is valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely, this low is valid until now. Until now, this low is valid for shifting market structure. Why, brother? This is also sideways. I can see this is sideways, but at the same time, there is a swing. It takes little longer, but it's a swing. And though I'm not gonna use that one as my market structure shift, but yeah, it's valid. It's valid by our simple rules. But I will prefer another swing low here that will be valid for shifting market structure. I'll prefer that one instead of that one. Okay, so yeah, that's the simple thing. Will you explain how to use breaker blocks? Some rules like you already explained MSS. I have already done that, Sivastan. I have done that yesterday. I took two entry and I explained that breaker block yesterday already. So there was first breaker block. I took an entry over there, and there was the second breaker block over here. I explained that entry as well. Why that is breaker block X. The breaker block in simple. Okay, let me draw it because I don't want to find out some previous price action. Look, This is all relatively equal loss. Market has taken the relatively equal loss. Market structure shift. There is a fair value gap. Market has traded that fair value gap, went higher. It went higher. When it went higher, there will be your order block. Market has to trade that order block. The perfect scenario is market will trade the mean threshold of that order block. After trading the mean threshold, it will expand higher. There will be a fair value gap that will be unfilled. Until now, I got an unfilled area. Sometimes you will see I write down I want to say unfilled. So here is that unfilled area. Now, for example, just think this is your buy side liquidity. You know market is going to take that buy side liquidity. But by this perfect 22 YT model, market failed to take that buy side liquidity. Instead of that, it closed that unfilled area. At the same time, when it will close that unfilled area, I will just look for this. Just this. Between two low, the highest up close body close candle will be my breaker block. But price failed to close above that breaker block. Instead of that, maybe it came here, it went lower again. Between two, between the lowest low, the highest up close body, it will be my breaker block. So previously that was my breaker block. Now this is my breaker block. If price can close above that high, this is already eligible for being a breaker block. But brother, it went much more lower. It came here. Between two low, the highest up close body will be my breaker block. If body can close above that one, then it will be breaker block. It will be my breaker block. So this is the easiest way to explain the breaker block. There is something else, something like this. Okay, something like that. There would be a breaker block setup, but I don't want to make you confused right now. So just stay with that thing. Okay, that's in my opinion that is breaker block from 1 minute chart. But for the longer time period, I don't need this type of precision. But from 1 minute chart, if I look for the 1 minute breaker block, I always look for that. So let me show you if I find it out. I really forget where was that setup. To be honest, I forget. Okay, how you can please watch yesterday's stream. Over there, I explained that clearly. So don't want to put my mind over there right now. Oh, brother, you are absolutely wrong. Market is going to take that buy side liquidity. Am I? Did I miss anything? No, I didn't miss anything. I just missed a run. But still, I didn't take any loss. Until I don't take the loss, I'm not blowing my mind up. That's simple, brother. Okay, good sir. No sir. You are our army commander leading us into the war zone every day, which is the market, brother. Oh, okay, so you are talking. No, I'm not you, sir. I'm like you guys. Trust me, I'm just like you. The way you are reading the price, I'm also reading the price the same way. I'm also trading the same way. I'm pushing my button like you do. Everything is same. So I'm not kind of commander or something. I'm just your brother. Right or wrong doesn't matter as long one is profitable. Absolutely, brother. That's the fact. As long as you are profitable, right or wrong doesn't matter. Get freedom. You always say I don't know anything. It's true, man. But you explain price action like you mastered it. What are you talking about? No, man. Price came to 1 minute last fair value gap. Still, I'm seeing this 50-minute last fair value gap is valid. So this one is still valid. Why it came here then? To trade that 1 minute fair value gap, last fair value gap. Let's see if it can make the setup right now or not. If this is the right, the last moment for reversing. If it failed, then I was wrong, and maybe market is trading that buy side liquidity finally this fair value gap. So maybe at the PM's New York session, I will go for that sell side liquidity, or I will be in the same type of moment. I mean situation where I will have the buy side liquidity, I will have the sell side liquidity, and I have nothing to do. Some type of this type of situation, because today's Tuesday, market should fall, and that's my expectation. That's my story is telling me all I want to do with my narrative. I don't want to go against my narrative. Don't think that this is the random reversal. If I came to the entry favorable gap, I showed it to you. Okay, it is going to broke. I'm gonna remove it from my chart, and finally market is going to take that obvious liquidity. Just go to your 50-minute chart. I was just wrong about my direction. I was thinking that market will go and take that sell side liquidity first. That's why I didn't take that buy entry. But here that is called obvious liquidity. Remember this buy side liquidity I marked yesterday? This high, that high, they are relatively equal highs. Market has taken that by a shallow run. The shallow run is turns into the obvious liquidity. I was bearish. I was thinking that market will take that buy side liquidity around the New York AM session. So it will go toward that sell side liquidity. Still, I'm thinking like that way, to be honest. Still, I don't want to say market will take that buy side liquidity. But yeah, if it can take that buy side liquidity, it has to reach to that last parallel gap. It has to. There is no other way. Then I will see if the last parallel gap can hold the price or not. This parallel gap, okay? I will I will see about that if it can hold the price or not. And I can see that I am really wrong with 1, 2, 3, 4. I am really wrong about this four candle, this four green candle, because I was expecting that four green candle would be the four red candle toward that sell side liquidity. It is what it is. Okay, is 339 MSS valid for short setup? Why you guys is still confused about the market structure shift? How many times I 339? What did you say? 39. This is a swing low. Look at this candle, guys. This is a perfect swing low. Here, this one. If you look for this one, this swing low, let me show you. This is your normal chart, okay? So from your normal chart, just look. Here is a curve. Though it's a very small curve, but this is a curve. So this swing low is valid for shifting market structure. Now here is also a curve, but look at these candles. Do you think this swing low is kind of perfect swing low? Which one is better swing low to you? It's up to you to look for that. In my opinion, this swing low was perfect. Now, was that the market structure shift? No, that was not market structure shift, because that was not the displacement. The displacement you got here. Now, this is not a perfect setup, but this swing low is valid for shifting market structure. But it's not a perfect setup, because market left that buy side liquidity here. See this buy side liquidity, it left over there like that. If this candle could take those highs, fail to take that extreme high, then got a market, I mean this displacement, I would love to take that sell. If I were there, okay, I would love to take that sell. I wasn't here because I came here around 4, so 3:45 actually. I came here around 3:45 around that time. I wasn't here. I didn't know anything about that. And after coming here, whoever actually joined to my stream, they are thinking, oh man, I missed that buy run. That's why I always tell you, go with your analysis. Even if you are wrong, if you take a loss, you will learn. If you are actually learning, use the paper money. If you have learned already, then go to your real money. But always depend on your analysis. Like for example, if ICT come here and tell me he is looking for sell, I wouldn't take. Sorry, he is looking for buy from this setup. If even for ICT came here and tell me I'm looking for buy, I am not going to change my direction. I'm not gonna do that. Even ICT come here and tell me that, I will still look for sell. I will try to prove myself right, and I will try to prove himself wrong. Your mentality should be like that way. Your mentality has to be like T2 is wrong, I'm right. Okay, so always think like that way. That doesn't mean every single time I'm looking for sell, so you have to look for buy to prove me wrong. No, not like that way. Okay, don't think like that way. If you are thinking market is going higher and I'm thinking market is going lower, then you will be strict with your direction. I always tell you that frame your trade by your analysis. If you see both of our analysis is same, we are thinking for the same thing, that's kind of maybe better confident for you or maybe for me, that okay, I am thinking short, so maybe Rabi is also looking for sell, so both of us are looking for the same thing, maybe I'm overconfident, but this is what it is. Okay, Peter Henry wizard. Peter, man, you will never. Nice bounce from New Week opening gap at 4 a.m. London Open Kilden, brother. Okay, that's cool. I don't have anything over there, so I have no idea from where it has bounced. All I know, it has bounced from uh 50-minute entry fair value gap. That's all I know. There is 15-minute entry fair value gap, bounced from that 50-minute entry fair value gap. That's all I know. Good morning, Ups Phoenix. How are you, Phoenix? Ravi, hey brother, how are you, brother? Leah, T2, if we reverse now to sell side liquidity, isn't it this high at T10 random? Uh, as is displacement look like from random area? What did you say? 310. Okay, there is the part to understand. Obviously, this is a random area, but what this random area has done, it has made the relatively equal highs. Now, if market would love to reverse means market is going lower to take the lowest low from this small price action. Where is your lowest low? This is your lowest low. If market would love to go lower, take the lowest low, then that is called reversal. This reversal can't happen from a random area. A reaction can happen from the random area. That means price came here to that random area. Why did it came here? Just go to your hourly chart. Sorry, not hourly chart actually. Daily chart. Come here to daily chart. See this week market is actually struggling to do something over here. It is going to break the 50% of that week. If it can break that 50%, it is going to take that liquidity. Now, if market go lower, maybe it takes all of this low. Maybe all of this low it's going to take. It can't take it from here. It can't do it. In that type of situation, you have to go to 15-minute chart. From 15-minute chart, if you find out any fair value gap from 15-minute chart, maybe you find this out. You got this fair value gap. It has to trade that fair value gap. Maybe you are not sure about any fair value gap from here. You will go to hourly chart and find a fair value gap over there. Then why it reverse from there? Look over here. Why it reverse from there? When price reverse from there, I didn't say this is the random reversal. Why? Because market was reversing from there. See, tap to that lower fair value gap, went lower, retracement went lower, take the liquidity, come back again that area. Now you are thinking why it is going to reverse from a random area. It can't reverse from a random area. Reaction can happen. Why the reaction is going to happen? Because it has made the resistance zone, that the liquidity. If market take that buy sell liquidity one more time, then it can even go below that low before trading that last parallel. Even it can't go below that low because the liquidity it has made, the obvious liquidity, it has done its job over there. If it takes that buy sell liquidity one more time, it has to reach over here to that last parallel gap at least to reverse or to come here to that parallel gap. Until now, I'm letting him fall because I saw it has made the resistance zone, and I am still seeing this is as a reversal. Price came here to the last parallel gap, came here to the entry parallel gap from hourly chart, then it come back again here. Now this is the inside price action. Price is here. He's just trading, making the relatively equal highs. I'm very much confused about here. This is not a perfect price action. I need to go lower time frame. From lower time frame over here, why am I came here? The reason is I saw from 15-minute chart market is making the liquidity. The reversal I got from a specific level, but from the after the reversal, when market come back again here, it has made the liquidity. When it is making the liquidity, I didn't find out any fair lookup or anything over there. Previously, when market came here from here, you nobody asked the question because everybody knew market is coming here and now it is falling. When market came back again, why it came back here? To make just relatively equal highs or obvious highs or something. I didn't get anything from there. I will go to 15-minute chart. I didn't get anything 5-minute chart. Brother, you don't tell us go 5-minute chart. Instead of that, you tell us to 1-minute chart. Let's go to 1-minute chart. Find out the exact thing. Why market reverse from there? So let forget about the 5-minute chart. Just forget about the 5-minute chart. I don't need that. I'm gonna mark the last 5 lookup from 1-minute chart. Remember this reversal from 1-minute chart? This is that 1-minute last 5 lookup. I'm gonna show one more thing. I'm not here exactly, but I'm trying to prove that. Sorry, not that one. Okay, I can't move it from here, but if you just move it little lower, you will see the exact. Let me check actually if I can. Where is it? I guess this is that. Yeah, here you go, Leah. See, I'm gonna remove all of this thing because all I need just that line, that relatively equal highs. Why market went there? To make the liquidity. That's why market came here, just to make the relatively equal highs. I don't need the reversal from here, and I don't want to see that because I believe market has no power to let go one more time. Market has no power to take that low. If it wants to take that low, it has to reach to that fair value gap because it has already that reversal from that area has already done the job. If it want to go lower than that low one more time, it has to reach to that fair value gap. If it wants to go below that low now, it has to go over there before falling. As I'm not expecting that that market is going below that low, instead of that I'm expecting it can come until here. I don't need any kind of reversal point from there. Now why market can reach below here from a random area? Okay, it trades that last pair lookup from 15. I'm just thinking the way I'm thinking. Okay, market failed to take that buy sell liquidity. For example, market failed to take that buy sell liquidity. Instead of that, market trade that last pair lookup from 15-minute chart here. Now can market go below that low? Absolutely, it can go below that low. Why? Because market is trading from the last parallel gap. Can market come here? Last parallel gap? Absolutely, it can come. Can market go below here? Absolutely, it can come. Why? Because market is reversing from there, that last parallel gap. But brother, it has broken the last parallel gap. It come here, maybe made another relatively equal highs. Can it come here? Absolutely, it can come. But market has taken that buy side liquidity. Can it come now here? No, it can't come. It has to trade there. After trading that last fair value gap, then it can even come here to that fair value gap. If it take that buy side liquidity, because market has taken the resistance, it doesn't need to go lower again. Has to go higher first to that last a logical level before reversal. Until now, the lowest low is here. When market will take that buy side liquidity, the lowest low will be that will be here, but in a short period of time, this will be the lowest low. This one, that will be the lowest low. So market can't come here without trading to that fair value gap. It's little confusing, but trust me, brother, slowly but definitely you will learn this. Definitely, man, you will definitely learn this. Okay, hey brother, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Ravi. Holding 15-minute last. I think so. Still, I'm looking for sell, but yeah, I don't think so. I'm gonna get any kind of opportunity to take sell today. Actually, I mean not in this session. I'm gonna keep it as it didn't break yet. So yeah, and I'm going to remove it. Let's see. Is this swing low is valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely valid. This swing low is absolutely valid for shifting market structure. Why? This is a swing. Look at this swing. See, like this is also a swing, not perfect, but this one is a perfect swing. This swing has traded that fabric. All I need a displacement. It can't spend more time here. If it spend more time here, then it has to take the liquidity. If I would love to take a sell, if market really would love to go lower, it can't break the constant encroachment of that week. See this week, it can't break that constant encroachment of that week. If really market would love to go lower, it should not break that constant encroachment of that week. That's all. Simple. If market give you the displacement right now, are you going to take that entry? Maybe I will take that entry, but that will be low probability because market spent a lot of time here already and it didn't clear the buy side liquidity. If something happened like now, right now, if something happened here and fair value group, are you willing to take that on with very much confidence, with lot of confidence? I'm gonna take this entry with lot of confidence. But if something happened like this, maybe I will take that entry, maybe, but not so confident because market left the liquidity. It can come back again, take that liquidity, then stop me out. After that, it can give me the setup, or maybe it will never go lower. It will go toward that buy side liquidity. So it's low probability. I'm trying to explain every scenario. Why you are not looking for buy? I explained that at the beginning. That's why I didn't participate to that buy run. Okay, brother from another mother. Hey, Eps fan, Phoenix. Okay, yeah, we are brother from another mother. That's good. That's right, man. Okay, what is new week opening gap and how to use it? Vishal, just stay with us for some days. You will understand that. Okay, I can't give you everything in by one day. When something will, I mean, something will come in front of me. I will explain that, brother. So you have to stay. It's better to explain the price action when I will get it in my in my chart. Okay, I love to explain the price in live. I don't like to come here and then show you this is the market structure. If fair value gap, you take that. I don't like that. I love to explain the price when market price is printing over here because I never do the back test. That doesn't mean you are going to avoid that. Back test is must. You have to do the back test. I am a lazy guy. I never do the back test. Never ever I do the back test. I always do the forward test. So it's kind of not boring for me, but back test is really so boring for me. I always do the forward test. That's why I'm unable to give you the example from here. Okay, from here somewhere. I am really afraid of that. I better prefer to give you the example in life, what is going to happen next. That way I love to give you the example because I learned it by that way. So yeah, that's all, brother. Okay, thank you. Now it makes sense. You're most welcome, Leah. Your name and my sister's name are same. Okay, so every time I call Leah, I feel like my sister is over here. Good morning, bro. Good morning, Macro. Sorry, Markovic. Sorry, brother, Markovic. Good morning, brother. Leah trades. Beautiful. Thank you. Herman, random area. Herman, you are here. So it has cleared the buy side liquidity. See, every consolidation has been cleared. If I get a displacement now below that low, oh man, that's called the highest probable setup for me. The highest probable setup. If I get a displacement right now with a fair value gap, I'll go for that. Now I'm gonna believe that it's going to work. Why? Because market has taken the all the liquidity has been taken already. All I need a displacement below that low. I'm okay. Go short. If I take a short and if I it hits my stop loss, then I'll take loss. Simple. I'll just take loss. Confusing drama. What is confusing, brother? You have to ask me the question, Peter, if you're confused. Whenever I enter in the trade, it don't move fast. That means you are either early or you are so late. For example, if you would take the entry over here, that was a I mean, first move market, very first move market. All I want, candle close below that low. That's all I want right now. That's all. If I get it, oh man, oh man. London Kilson timing is over. Is outside Kilson entry is advisable? No, London Kilson it didn't over yet. It will end at 6 a.m. Okay, until 1st of April, it's 6 a.m. So I got the market structure shift. All I need a fair value gap. Then I'll go for that trade. But brother, if it is a loss, I'll take the loss. See this fair value gap. If it trade that fair value gap within three candle, I'm gonna take that on. If it make another fair value gap over here and trade that within three candle, I'm gonna take that on as well. I mean, I'll just go wait now for the immediate reaction. That's all I'm waiting. If it doesn't work, I'll take a loss. Simple. Let's see what's going to do. Hey Rahul, how are you, brother? If it failed to make a fair value gap over there, no, I'm not interested to take any kind of entry. So, what is my stop loss? Guys, just five handle. Don't you think it's worthy? Five handle loss? I believe so. I will close it over here. If it hits my target, I will close it over there. Okay. I'm not gonna hold it for so long. I'll try to hold it over here. Okay, bro, that 50-minute last fair value gap has not closed above on the 50-minute. Is it still valid? If it didn't close above the 50-minute, then yeah, it's absolutely valid. Absolutely valid. Even if it closed by one candle, still it is valid. Yes, I'm your sister in trading. Welcome, sister. Hello, Titu brother. How are you? I'm fine, Verinda. How are you, brother? Yes, Peter. I was about to say that yesterday same thing happened. Now market should go downside. It can go downside. It can go upside. It can do everything, whatever it wants to do. It's his decision. We can just predict the price, nothing else. It's going to hit your stop loss, brother. Okay, I took a loss, but that was a perfect entry for me. I took a loss. Now I'm gonna believe that market is going to take that buy sell liquidity. I waited for that. I got that. Didn't work. I just take a loss, nothing else. 500 loss. Let's see how it hit the target profit. I just love when you were saying that the market is reaching from a random area. Yes, Peter, I was about to say, okay, okay, sure, thanks a lot, no problem, Michelle. Does MSS records a candle body close below? No, I don't need the body close. I just need a wick. If a wick can close below that, that's enough for me to get a market structure shift. just a body. Sorry, week. One tick below that low, I got it. So at the morning session, I got a loss. Oh man, oh man. But remember, this is just 500. Yeah, sometimes it happens. It happens. Am I looking for buy now as market is going to take that buy sell liquidity? It is obvious, but no, I'm not going to do that. If I take the buy, that is called revenge trade. Now, sometimes it's not revenge trade, but most of the time it's called revenge trade. I'm not gonna take the revenge trade, and here the range is from here to here. Not bad, but still I'm not looking for that. I'll just let it go. The whole morning session, the London session, I'll let it go. I will stay with this one loss, 500 loss. I'll just stay with that. Why I took that sell? Because I saw the last fair value from 1 minute chart and 50-minute fair value was holding the price and market gave me this market structure shift. This was perfect according to my thinking. That was a perfect, everything was perfect. A perfect setup didn't work. I get stopped out. That's all. Guys, there is near about 120 people and I got 60 likes. Only 60 likes. Give me some more likes. And let me check. Okay, 4679. This is my subscriber. Okay, yesterday I got a lot of subscriber to be honest. So over here, 79 views. Hmm. Can you recap on 7 a.m. trade, please? Lenny, I don't think so. I'll be here around 7 a.m. I have to go outside again. I can't give you promise. Okay, I won't be here for sure. But 7 a.m. I told you, it's very simple. If you just go toward your, if you see market is going toward your direction, you get your first displacement, you will go for the trade. If it is on your direction, for example, you are thinking market is going higher. For example, you are thinking market is going higher. You get your first displacement, you will take your entry. You will never wait to retrace that fabric. No, this candle closed, take your entry. Just close, take your entry. If you want to add more, then you when it will trade that fabric up, you can add more. If you are thinking market is going higher, this thing happened at around 7 a.m. Go for that trade. Like over here, when I get stopped out, wasn't it so obvious that market is going to take that buy side liquidity? When I get stopped out over here, wasn't it so obvious, so clean that market is going to take that buy side liquidity? You have to feel that in 7 a.m. at 7 a.m. Yeah, if you get that at 7 a.m., go for that trade. Simple rules, okay, brother? I have already explained that, but I won't be able to stay here because I have to go outside. I have to go, brother. I think it's 80 plus subscriber after 4.6k. Yeah, something like that. I mean, I get a lot of subscriber yesterday. I guess I don't know. It will update around after 1 hour actually. After 1 hour, it will be updated to my YouTube studio. So I will be able to see how many subscriber I get yesterday. But it's near about maybe yeah something like that. Okay, thanks for that. You are most welcome, lady. If I were here, brother, obviously I would go for that. But maybe I will take the entry, but through my phone. I have to go outside. I would love to stay more time to see how it ends. Okay, so I'm gonna stay in 50-minute chart. How it has taken that buy side liquidity, and then how it trade that last parallel gap. I would love to see. So if it trade that last parallel gap from 50-minute chart, this will be my target for the. But it's gonna be very difficult to trade. Okay, before AM session, market has to come here somewhere below that low. Market has to come, otherwise everything is gonna be very difficult to trade this week. As we have a holiday in Friday, we don't have news in Wednesday. Oh man, it's gonna be disaster. But yeah, still we will try to figure that out the way we figured the Monday accumulation. We killed it right yesterday, guys. We killed it. We killed it. Let's see we can kill the. Let me remove it. Okay, it doesn't look like good for me. So yeah, we'll try to kill it today. Sunrise. Hello. Hey, third session. What time do you stream live? You will get every notification if you are here with me. At the link, at the comment box, you will get the Twitter link. Okay, http uh, then clone then double hash twitter.com/nrt12345. You will get it over there, my Twitter link. And in my if you come to my Twitter link, around $am EST is going to happen. Okay, so actually I tried to write down around 4. I pressed shift 4. That's why that is the dollar sign. But actually I tried to write down 4 a.m. I'm sorry for that. I didn't notice that. But yeah, I actually tweeted beforehand. So please keep an eye over there. Did anybody push the button with me? Anybody? I want your true opinion. Anybody push your button with me? Did anyone? Okay, thanks. No problem. 1 point analysis yesterday. Yeah, thank you, Sunrise. Today is we are also going to break that market. Trust me, we are going to break that market. I'm not a London guy, to be honest. I'm still trying to figure that out. But yeah, okay. Get freedom. It's okay, man. I don't. I am not telling you that you are wrong. I go with the weak. The reason is ICT told he doesn't need the body clothes. Just a week is enough for him, and I get the precision from there. So perfect. It's perfect for me. No, yes, okay. So guys, I hope you got 500 loss. Not a huge loss, but yeah, we will mitigate that around the morning session or the Newark AM 7 AM kill zone. Any of them will mitigate our loss. Maybe we'll take more loss. It happens, okay. Sometimes we'll get some profit, sometimes we'll get some losing trade. It will keep happening. Yesterday my profit was $947. I forgot to upload the screenshot, and when I get up today morning, I saw it has already been reset. So near about $900 was profit from yesterday. Me, I am trusting you, brother. No, you can't do that. Saluni, Sunas, no, any of you is not allowed to push your button with me. If you push your button with me, you will regret. Trust me, man. You will regret. Don't do that. Do your own analysis. Take your own decision. Don't depend on me. If you do that, you will never learn this concept. And if you don't learn this concept, trust me, I am not here for forever. I'm not here for forever to show you the price action or everything. I have my own life. Then you have to find out another guy who will do it for you. It's a very messy job. Trust me, man. So please try to do your own analysis. I didn't push because I'm long from yesterday. Perfect. Ghost in the machine. Perfect, man. I did push my button, but based on my analysis, I salute you. Smile, Yunus. I salute you, brother. If you push your button depending on your analysis, I really salute you. I was watching your call being it was the first time watching you. I was watching your call being it was the first time watching you. Oh, okay. So, Sunrise, welcome, brother. Welcome to my channel, brother. Brother, what is your name again, please? Sorry, I forgot. Phoenix, you forget my name? Anybody knows my name? Anybody? That's my name. Love you, bro. You love me, man? I don't love you, man. You're not a girl. I don't love you. Peter, I really don't love you. Before you with 7 handle stop loss, just higher above 5. Oh, okay. Before you, okay. That's perfect, man. Perfect. I'm trusting your bias mostly. If you trust my bias mostly, that's cool, but don't trust my entry. I am kind of mad guy. Sometimes I put my stop loss too far. Sometimes I put my stop loss too tight. Sometimes I do some kind of stubborn things. Even after seeing some obvious setup, I go against that. Okay. So yeah, always it actually happen in London most of the time because I'm trying to figure that out in a easy way. So I'm really confused about that. Bro, I pushed the button. It was yours and my setup. I also longed after the loss. Yeah, that's cool, man. If I were alone, I would take the long as well. But as I'm here, I would love to make your psychology more stronger. That's why I didn't push that long button. Otherwise, I would push my long button. I would see this like that way. Market has taken the liquidity, market structure sheet, fair value gap. I don't need to trade that on. This body started. I would take my entry. Now, here is the part. Mark every sales and liquidity you see. Trust me, it's gonna be taken. It's going to be taken. This is shallow run, so I'm gonna mark this. All of them are going to be taken. Don't worry. First, it has to reach over here. That's my expectation. But if it reverses from there, then it's gonna be 50-50. It should not reverse from there because it has taken the liquidity. I don't have any liquidity here anymore. Not anymore. No liquidity over there. But brother, that is a shallow run. No, there is no liquidity. Not at all. Learning to fish is key. Thanks. You're most welcome, Sunrise. Where are you from, brother? Michael, Titu. Yeah, that's my name. Civil engineering. Yeah, that's my name, brother. That's my name. So, very simple name. Very easy to remember. Don't just think market is falling now until this last parallel gap. Okay, market should go to that last parallel gap. And we are at already we are around the last hour of the London session. Let it play the way it wants to play. So if market would love to go lower from here, it should not go below that low. Should not go below that low. But yeah, it is going higher until that last level. So that's my expectation. Terminator 2. Yeah, that's my name. Terminator 2. Yunus, thanks. Okay, a lot of people know my name. Phoenix T2. Yeah, absolutely. Muhammad Sawa. John Wick. Which chapter, brother? Chapter 4 or chapter 1? Got it, T2. You're most welcome. As you get it, exactly my setup. Yeah, Peter, I know. If I were alone, then I would take that entry. But in at the beginning, that is called the revenge trade. Okay, so I don't want you to influence to take that revenge trade. In a longer term, it will hurt you. In a longer term, it will hurt you most of the time. It was obvious liquidity. That's why market take that obvious liquidity. Otherwise, most of the time, it's gonna hurt you. That is called revenge trade. Are you expecting market to come down for the liquidity with the news? I will say that when I will be here around New York session. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure yet what is going to happen right now because market should fall. That's my expectation. Market should come here. That fair value gap. It has to come here. That's the requirement. That's everything I want. But whatever is happening, I'm not agree with that. It is just making the liquidity around the same level again and again. I'm not agree with that, and I'm not feeling comfortable with that. So yeah, I have to wait for better price action. Let it reach over here, then let's look for sell. First let it reach over there. If it fail to reach over there, I will maybe skip the whole session, the morning session. Bye bye, bro. Still love you. See you, Peter. Sunday is 100% woman. No, Peter is not a woman. He's a boy. Sunrise. Oh man. He's a boy, so I can't love him. He's just a boy. I'm a boy as well. I'm not a gay. I love the woman. Shallow run was taken by a run now. I don't give a F, someone said. Yeah, absolutely, brother. To be honest, it's true. Shallow run has taken by another shallow run. I don't give a F to that. There is no buy sell liquidity for me. Not anymore. I'm done with this buy sell liquidity. If market would love to reverse from here now, that's unusual. I don't like to see that. That is kind of bullshit, something like that. It has to reach here because it's not going here for the next shallow run. No, it's going here to trade the logical level. It should go there. Before going there, it should not fall. This is how I read the price. This is how it should happen. What is T2, brother? Hey, Alan, how are you, brother? Patel, how did you remember that one? Yeah, but overall, remember this is the buy side liquidity that is my target. Okay, this week, this buy side liquidity is my target. Now, here another thing can happen. Okay, I'm not telling that it is happening, but another thing can happen. That is the manipulation can be done in Monday. Today, it can be the expansion. Tomorrow, continuation of the expansion. Thursday, it can reset the price. Why? Because we have a holiday in Friday. So Friday is the holiday, so market doesn't have the chance to reset. In that type of situation, it can happen like yesterday was the manipulation, today is the expansion. It can happen as well. So I'm very much confident or careful about that. If this is broken, then I will say like that way. Okay, we are not going lower, not anymore. We are actually expanding price toward the buy side liquidity. Why this is? I'm telling you again. As Friday is closed, Friday is the closed, market is closed. We don't have any opportunity to trade in Friday. That is why yesterday can be the manipulation. We are just skipped the um, what to say the accumulation. And in my opinion, last Friday has done the accumulation. If it is going to happen, last Friday was the accumulation. Monday is the manipulation. Tuesday is the expansion. Thursday will continuation the expansion. Friday, sorry, I messed up. Tuesday is the expansion, Wednesday is the continuation of the expansion, Thursday will reset. It can happen as well. So yeah, I'm a woman. Okay, sister, I'm sorry. Sunrise. I thought you were talking about feature. I'm sorry, sister. Your name is Sunrise, so I didn't know that you are a woman. Sorry. Membership will be appreciated. There is the link. If anyone is interested, you are welcome. Otherwise, you are welcome. No, nothing to do. Okay. Do you trade New York Hills on, brother? Are you talking about 7 a.m.? I'm getting fan of that. Every single time it's right. I'm right. Every single day. After listening ICT told about 7 a.m. fusion, until now, I never wrong at 7 a.m. fusion. So I'm getting fan of that. But here I won't be here. I'll be close my session around 6 a.m. New York local time because I have to go outside. Has to reach over here. At least it has to tap to the low of that last fabric. That is logical. Vishal, your name should be Michael. Sunrise, no worries. Thank you, sister. Alexander, Tuesday short too long, Wednesday too long, Thursday too short. Something like that. I mean, I'm not sure yet, but it will depend on today's price action. If market would love to change the narrative because of Friday close, as we don't have any opportunity to trade Friday, then it can go higher. I mean, long today. Tomorrow is also long. Then Thursday is short. Something like can happen. It all everything will will depend on this parallel gap. Every single thing is going to depend on this parallel gap. If this parallel gap is broken, then I was thinking the way it was absolutely right. Friday has done the accumulation actually. Monday has done the manipulation. Tuesday is actually expanding or expansion. uh, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday will be continuation of the expansion. Friday will reset. Sorry, Thursday will reset. So it will happen if this one is broken. If I say market went lower, came to this parabolic gap today. Today, it has to happen today. If it happens today, then I will say no, nothing happened yet. I mean, whatever I told you, it's wrong. Wednesday is gonna be little little move. Thursday is gonna be continuation of the expansion. At the same time, reset. So as we don't have any opportunity to trade Friday, after taking that buy side, market will reset the price. I will think like that way. The reason is Friday is closed this week. Okay, when it is closed, there can be something different. This is an unusual week. You have to face this. Okay, have to go, brother. We are roaming data. Oh man, please go, man. Don't waste your time over here, man. Vishal, your name should okay. I read your comment. No worries. Today's Tuesday. Okay, let's get T2. Tell her we love women in here. Okay. She listened already. Sunrise. Yeah, I have some sister over here right now. Like Sunrise, then Romy, then Leah. If I ever say something wrong, you girls will make me right. Okay. I mean, if I ever say any wrong word or any bad word, if I ever use that, okay, I don't use that word, but sometimes bad thing can happen. I don't want to disrespect to anyone. I always try to respect everyone. Okay. Yeah, that's the thing. uh this price action is really so difficult to read, man. Whoever is with me for near about 2 to 3 weeks maximum, one, just for example, you are with me for 1 month now. What do you think? Is it really difficult to read the price? You have to tell me your true opinion, okay? Just your true opinion. It's really difficult to read the price after being with me for near about 1 month. And thanks to all whoever subscribing to my channel. Thanks to all, okay? Tell me faster. Is it really difficult to read the price? I know it's little difficult, but is it really that much difficult? How does it look like? Something like this. How does it look like? When there is nothing on the chart. Absolutely nothing on the chart. An empty chart. Okay, I think you don't have the got to give me the answer. Okay, it's really difficult then. I'm a failure. I tried my level best to make it simple to all of you guys. But still, if you think it's really so difficult, then I'm really a failure. I'm asking this question who are with me for at least 1 month, not the new guy. Okay, someone actually just to join maybe 1 week, maybe 2 days, 5 days. No, I'm not talking about them. I'm just asking the guys who are with me for near about 1 month, if there is anyone. Not difficult, but be to be precise is difficult. You don't need to be precise. Just try to start with the reading price. That's all. March was the hardest. February was the easiest for me. Okay. Ravi, your teachings are not difficult to read price. It's fearless executions that is the difficult part for me. Slowly but definitely you will overcome that. Brother, one which model you are working with? I don't have any model, brother. But yeah, in Everest I work with the 22 YT model. Ravi Permat, the knowledge you give is pure gold, just superb, but experience cannot be transferred and that learning journey has to be taken alone. Absolutely, Ravi, you are right. It's not difficult, but for new people that are new, it will be difficult at first. Just need to learn the concept and plan out your strategy. Uh, Markovich, though I'm not 100% agree with you, but just let it go. Brother, one which ICT model you are working with? Pinkesh, actually 22 mentors, I mean YT model, that's the best one for but whatever I'm working with, you don't know about that because nobody ever talked about that. Okay, but my model, entry model, best is 22 model, okay? The reading price action style, that's perfectly different. You never got it from anywhere else. That's for sure. But it's precise, trust me, man. Leah, Tito, tell please why small minute favorable gap that formed with 1345 high from 12 of March can't be a point of MSS. Don't understand why you tell that if price to this high 310 today and if price reverse, it's going to be random area. Okay, I guess Monday low of the week simple. Monday low of the week simple. It can be forex learn. Good morning. Thanks for the teaching. Following you in last 2 days. Grateful. Okay, Silva. Brother, you wrote your name wrong. My, I write my name wrong. Seriously? Oh man. Leah, here is your answer. I'm gonna remove these lines from my chart. Okay, basically. Leah, here is your answer about the random level. Why I told that. Why it is not market structure shift? I will go over there little later. First, look at this whole price action. What happened? It came to the last fair from 15 minutes. Perfect, no? It's perfectly perfect. Went lower, cleared all of these lows. This is called reversal. I got the reversal from 15-minute last fair. It came here. Where did it came? Remember yesterday I showed this is messy price action. So I went to hourly fair value gap and I showed that market is reversing from hourly entry fair value gap. So this is a logical level. Market came here, a logical level, then it reversed. Now, until it takes that buy side liquidity or this high, this is not reversal. So market can stay here inside this range between this low and in my opinion that low in my opinion, but the best option is that is the best option over here. Now if it go over there, then it has already traded that last parallel gap, then there is nothing to worry about. That's why I'm coming here and I'm talking about this side until price below that liquidity, that buy side liquidity, and here above that sell side liquidity, it can do whatever it wants to do. Just think this didn't happen yet. It want to go lower, trade that entry favorable gap. Absolutely perfect. This is not a random reversal because the reversal is going to happen from here. This last favorable gaps. This is the highest leg. Look at this whole price action. This whole price action. This whole price action is inside this leg. Now this leg started from last favorable gap and end at entry fair value gap to hourly fair value gap. So logical, right? It's logical. Now when market is inside this leg, if it can go above that high, then it has already reached to that last fair value gap. So I don't need to explain why it can't go lower. But if I want to explain this one, when it has taken that extreme or obvious buy side liquidity, it has taken that buy side liquidity. Previously market came here, get the reverse because there was a 1 minute last fair value gap. It was holding the price, so it went lower little bit, but overall it was reversing from the last fair value gap. But when it has taken the liquidity has taken, that means market has broken that, that buy side liquidity. Is there any last fair value gap from 15-minute chart? No. From hourly chart? No. Nothing we have over there. Why market will reverse after taking that buy side liquidity from a random area? When it has taken the most obvious buy side liquidity, now if it wants to reverse, it has to reach a fair value gap. How can I make it more simple? Remember, always price go liquidity to liquidity. There is nothing else. No imbalance to liquidity, liquidity to imbalance, imbalance to imbalance. No. Market always go sell side liquidity to buy side liquidity. Why? Because I need the money. Where is the money? Where is the double top? There is the money. Where is the bottom, double bottom? There is the money. Simple thing. Where there is the money, I will go for them. Where there is a imbalance. When you studied the retail trading, did you ever give a shit to that fair value gap? Never. You didn't know anything about that fair value gap. You even didn't know the name of that. Nothing. You only know support and resistance. So remember, market always go support and resistance. Now, below this resistance, support, there is my maybe entry fair value gap or last fair value gap from 15-minute chart or hourly chart. Above that buy side liquidity, here is that thing as well. Above this buy side liquidity. Okay? Now inside these two buy side liquidity, I have another fair value gap below that buy side liquidity. This is the last fair value gap, just below that buy side liquidity. Now your price came from here. It has taken that buy sell side liquidity. So why price come from here to here? To take that sell side liquidity, not for that imbalance. It has taken that sell side liquidity. Okay, try to understand that perfectly. Are you muted? Can't you hear me? T2 is equal to precision, T2 not T2. Hello brother, I need to watch this session from beginning. I'm late. Yeah, you have to watch brother. Sanjay longed when you called that order block. That's cool. I told that I'm not interested to take long, but if you look for long, that is the perfect setup. Can you hear me, guys? Let me know that. Are you muted? Okay, so you can hear me. So now I'm not muted. Vishal, I'm not muted, brother. Thank you. Thanks for confirmation, Joao. So market when coming here to here, it is coming for liquidity, sell side liquidity. When it has taken sell side liquidity, now it is going for buy side liquidity. Now this reversal can't happen from a random area. It has to reach an imbalance for reversal. Why market come here to here? Because of that fair value gap? Never. Then why came? Because of that sell side liquidity. After taking that sell side liquidity, market came to that fair value gap for reversal. Now market has to go above for that buy side liquidity. Now market started to go higher. This is the last fair value gap below that buy side liquidity, that mid-term buy side liquidity. Okay, it came here. You can expect some kind of reaction. That reaction will send price lower little bit for making more liquidity. See, it is making more liquidity here. Now this sell side is already taken. You don't need to think about that one. It will make more liquidity here. Okay, it will tap to that fair value gap low one more time. It will take that liquidity at the same time. It will trade another fair value gap around that area, either the last fair value gap or the entry fair value gap. In that fair value gap, you will frame your trade again toward that buy side liquidity. This time This last fair value gap is going to be broken. Market has taken this buy side liquidity. This is how market works. Then after market come here, it will trade another fair value gap, entry fair value gap, last fair value gap from that leg, or maybe from another leg or anything. Okay. Then maybe it went lower. Again it came here. Maybe until that low, it came here. Why it came here? To make the sell side liquidity. Why it make that sell side liquidity? Because if market take that buy side liquidity, then if it wants to go lower, where is your sell side liquidity? Every sell side liquidity has taken already. Then why market should come back again below? It will come here, it will go like this way again, and it will take that buy side liquidity. Now it has taken the buy side liquidity. It wants to go for that new sell side liquidity now. How it will do that? It has to trade that imbalance. It has to trade that imbalance because it can't reverse from a random area. It has to trade that on. Then finally, this type of things will happen. It will make another buy side liquidity. Lot of buy side liquidity it will make. Then it will go below, take the liquidity. It will keep going lower. So far, it wants to go lower. After taking everything, it wants to go higher again. It has already left the buy side liquidity because when it was falling from there, it has already built the buy side liquidity for later. Lot of buy side liquidity it left over there. Sorry, over here. Buy side liquidity over there it left for later. This is how this market works. Okay, is it clear, Leah? That was the answer of your question. Now, market structure shift you asked. I have already made that clear. Why you should look for that one? I don't know why you guys is still confused about the market structure shift. It should be very clear. Okay. Okay, no, no, all clear. I can hear you. Can hear me. It's perfectly fine. Thank you. Clear and loud. Okay, absolutely. Scammer alert. What is that? Scammer alert. Joy Prajapati. What's that, brother? Now, 145 high. Let's see what is 145 high. So, what was your question, Leah? Tell me why small minute parallel gap that formed with 145 high from 22 of March. Okay, I have to go to 22 of March. I can't, man. I can't. Seriously, I can't. I don't want to go over there. जाओ now so the Setubal Vivanna Limanha. Okay, I don't know what you are talking about. I think this is the Portuguese language and you are talking about something about Setubal. If you are talking about the Setubal, I have been in Setubal for 6 months. One of the favorite place. One of my favorite place, Setubal. How to open trading view. Jai Prajapati, first you have to answer me why you to write it down. Scammer alert. You have to answer me that first. Yeah, I'm not thinking if I was in 1 minute chart and you can see after taking that buy side liquidity, market fall, very nice market structure shift, fair value gap entry to take the sell. I'm not interested because still I'm believing that market can reverse from a random area. It has to reach that fair value gap, so I'm still bullish. If you ask me better, I will better say I would love to take buy over here to that inversion fair value gap around that area. I would love to take buy instead of taking sell. No, I'm not interested to take buy right now because it's almost the end of the London session. But if I were interested, then I would love to take buy instead of taking sell over there. That was Portuguese. Yeah, Setúbal is my homeland. Oh, absolutely. I have been in Setúbal for near about 6 months, brother. Just beside the river. It's really so beautiful area. How to start PC? Leonardo Miguel, I used to know one guy in ICT community, same name as you. Seriously? I didn't know that. How to start PC? How to start PC, man? How can I know that? How to start PC? Can someone mute Jai Prajapati? Okay, guys, I think I'm done with today's London session. It was a very nice. Okay, when some of you actually told that Tanja's bull, I told that here I had this absolutely perfect market structure shift with immediate reaction. I outlined it when market was here, even forming this thing. I told that. Okay, don't think this hindsight. That was the market structure shift over here. Price retraced from the entry fair value gap. It came to that first fair value gap. Then there was the, let me mark it as well over here. That was the fair value gap. If anyone is failed to take that entry, then there is the order block. Okay, see the run. As I told, I would look for that inversion fair value gap entry toward that fair value gap. So I'm not interested right now because London is end already and I have only 5 handle loss. I'll mitigate that easily in New York session. Very easy. There is the min threshold of that order block. Until this min threshold is not broken, this setup should work. Min threshold, okay, over here. There is your obvious liquidity. If you would love to take that entry over here, your stop loss has to be there. This should be your target. I don't care who told you what, but yeah, that should be your target. This parallel gap low should be your target. If you have more than one contract, then you can hold it until here, not until this extreme buy side liquid. Never ever. If you have more than two contracts, then you can take a partial here, one partial here, then finally you can hold the rest until here. If you have four contracts, you have to take third partial here, then four on, you can hold it until there. If you have one contract, your trade is done over here. You are done. So one is to something, whatever. That should be your trade. As I am looking for sell, I'm not interested to take that buy. That if you ask me about the A plus plus setup, I recall that this is called the A plus plus setup. This is that setup. My direction was bearish. I was thinking market will go low. I didn't participate in that trade. Simple. That's all, okay, brother? And the way I told, right now, I'm not interested to take sell even after seeing this run. I will better say I will take a buy to that inversion parallel gap over here. I'm not interested, but I'm telling you that if I would take that entry, that would be my entry over here. My stop loss would be just below that low. Sorry, not that low, that low. And this would be my target. I would take a partial when market would be above that. I would take a partial here. That would be 1 is to 4.2423 or something like that. But yeah, I'm not interested. When I got stopped out, if I were alone, I would take one entry over here. I would close it when market tap to that buy side liquidity. I would close it over there. I told that even before it happened when market was falling. If you remember or not, market was over here exactly. I told that I'm not interested to take sell. I'm interested to take buy only. Why? I don't believe this random reversal. This is just a random reversal. Market can reverse from a random area. Has to reach to that fair value gap. At least it has to tap to that low of that fair value gap. So I'm not bearish. I'm bullish. Until here, I was bearish. When this buy side liquidity has taken, I'm no more bearish. I'm bullish. If market can take that partial, my stop loss would be here, and then I will go the rest until that last fair value gap. If I get stopped out after taking the partial, I'll be very happy to be stopped out over there because I went with the logic. Simple thing, brother. Okay, nice. Can someone mute? Okay, can see you then in 9 a.m. session till I will try to catch 7 a.m. Best of luck, brother. Prashant, this guy is just trolling. You can ban him, Tito. Just let him go. Prajapati, he's kind of guy. He will stay here, and when he will just he will be disappointed. He will leave me alone. No problem. She longed at after war block plus. Okay, so she longed after the order block. It can happen. I told when I was here, you can check. I told that if I was bullish, I missed that entry, I would take my entry over there to that order block, and my stop loss would cover the 50% of that fair value gap. I didn't tell that where I would put my stop loss, but if I took that entry to that order block, my order stop loss would cover just the 50% of that fair value gap. That's all. But as my bias was not bullish, I didn't participate to that A plus setup. That's all, brother. The way I am thinking right now is my thinking. Okay? I'm only interested to get into the setup again around 7 a.m. Otherwise, I'm not interested to see anything. If I get anything around 7 a.m., I will go for that. Otherwise, yeah, I'll try at new work session. I'm not good. I'm not trying to be good. All I'm trying to do is just share my experience, the way I read the price, the way I do everything. I'm just trying to do that. Okay. तेरे घर वाले तुझे मरते नहीं है. Why? Because I'm always here in my streaming, brother. Sunrise. How can do you determine if after the buy side liquidity is taken that would be continue and not reverse? As I told, I'm in 15-minute chart. Just I'm in 15-minute chart. Buy side has taken. Should it reverse or should it go higher? Obviously, it should go higher. Why it should go higher? Because it is reversing from a random area. It can't reverse from a random area. It has to reach to that fair value gap. So that's my expectation. I'm thinking that market is going higher until this fair value gap. I'm bullish. If this is broken, I'm still bullish again until that buy side liquidity. Simple. All I need to see is last fair value gap or the entry fair value gap. Here. That's all. It depends actually my bias, my thinking, everything depends on that. So from where market reverse? Random area? No, absolutely not. This is the entry fair value gap from 15 minutes here. Here exactly. This is that entry fair value gap from 15-minute chart, not a random area. Came here, not this fair value gap, okay? Not this fair value gap. This gap has no value, the highest one. It has to reach either this gap or that gap. If you are bullish, you have to look. You have to start looking for a setup from here. You got a setup around that area. You got a setup. Take it, man. But if it hits you like it hit me over here, if it hits you, I'll be stopped out because the perfect setup didn't work. That's all. Nothing else. Just a perfect setup didn't work. You don't need to wait for the order block. You just take your entry over there. Okay, guys. Anybody has any more question? If you don't have any question, then I'm gonna close my session today, and I will be here around 9 a.m. New York local time. So yeah, I have to go outside. Okay. So I have 10 minutes left, but yeah, still I have to go. So if anybody has any question, I'll go for that answer. Otherwise, I'm gonna close my session. And thanks to all for subscribing to my channel. 4684 subscriber. Really. See you at AM session. Thanks. No problem, sister. Thank you, Toluni. Okay. So thanks for joining to my live streaming, and I hope that we will meet at 9 a.m. New York local time. Until then, cheers.